Pew! Pew!
Why this game is so boring?
My Gorillas remake is not great. I mean, it's not a great game at all. But it's also missing a critical thing. It's missing a music. So in this short devlog, I will show you how easy you can add a music to your game in GameMaker. Well, step number 1, you will need to record music or download music or whatever. I repurposed one of my tracks. You can actually check the original on the other channel, I will leave the link in the description. But anyways, I removed lyrics and I got this actually quite cool track. Now what we actually need to do is just update the code in GameMaker and our music will be in the game. So what I do, I just create a separate object, I will call it Object Music Controller. I will make it persistent, so if I ever change the rooms between the games or if my room restarts, the music will just continue like it was. If you don't make the object persistent, the music will restart when you restart the room or will stop if you move to another room. Next step, you need to add your MP3 file. For this, you need to create a sound object. I will call it S&D music. You import file, you either drag or open your MP3 file. You set the quality, such as stereo, default quality, blah blah blah. And then all you need to do is to run a one line of code. It is audio play sound S&D music 10 true. So what it all means? First is the name of our sound object, which is S&D music in my case. Second would be the priority. Priority is important when you play more than one sound. 10 seems like a safe number. And then I set loop to true. So my song will just loop forever. Finally, you just need to drag the controller to the room and drop it in your room and play it. Check it out, I have a nice and cool music in my game. So what you probably can do next? Well, after adding music to your game, you can play these different tracks. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Here you will see game development related content, GameMaker tips and tricks, and stuff like that. It was Test Encoder. See you around, folks.